Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Now I have a very exciting package that I cannot wait to unbox with you and show you what it is. So I do apologize for my appearance, but I was just like, I need to do this unboxing now. It's meant to be. The postman just dropped it off. My baby just went to sleep. So this is just all the stars aligned. So here we are. I love how this company sends their packages. The way they package their items, like this box has plastic on it. Like, I know it's not great for the environment. I do understand that, but everything they do is just so nicely done. So this video is actually a collaboration with the amazing company Shebag. So if you haven't checked them out, definitely do that, because their products are just, they're elite from what I have experienced in the past, and this is my second package from them, so I cannot wait to see it. So, okay, no address. Again, so just well packaged. It's crazy how well they do it. Let me just, it's a bit hard to show you the actual unboxing of the package, but hang on. Oh my god, you guys, just wait. Okay, so you open the box and then again, blows my mind. A little bit of cardboard. Oh, they just put these little pieces in the side just so it literally does not move. So, can you tell what brand bag this is? Oh my goodness. I always keep the bubble wrap because I like to repurpose it rather than just throw it out. So we'll kind of keep that nice. I know you guys probably do not care about the actual unpackaging from the shipping box, but I just want you to experience it from, you know, as if you're getting the package as well. Okay, so finally. Interesting. They blank that out. I wonder if that's for like customs or something. I feel like that is. Okay, so you guys, let me see. Yep. Chanel. Okay. There is quite a strong smell coming off the box, I'm not going to lie. But this box, wow, it feels so nice, so beautifully made. So you open the box and it has this little card. The back also has like some, I assume they're like serial numbers or something. Okay, taking the item out, then in the bottom we have, like, you know how they have the receipts and all of that, they've added a Chanel ribbon. This dust bag is the nicest dust bag I probably own, regardless if it's authentic or not. It is so beautiful. Wow. And then we have the item. Again, the packaging is just, it blows my mind, you guys, honestly. And I'm so excited about this. Okay, so even the tissue paper, if you can see that up close, it has Chanel written all over it. The little sticker, take that off. I've ripped this and we have, oh my gosh, you guys, isn't that just so stunning? Let me take that off. Wow. This is going to be such a staple bag. Now, I know it's a Chanel WOC, wallet on chain, but I want to just give you the actual details of it on their website. So yeah, all it's called is Chanel WOC Real Leather with Gold Hardware. It is 12.3 by 19.2 by 3.5 centimeters. It's the best quality replica on their website. You can only get one of these per account, and they say that it's usually $1,494, but it's currently $109. This website, you can also choose to ship it with the box or without the box, so I do really like that. What they have, this is a 2022 version. Button closure changed to a magnet closure. Let me see. Yep. Leather zipper head changed to metal. Yep. So they're talking about this inside, which we can get to. Laser mark changed to chip metal. Okay, I don't know what that means. But, okay, so look at it up close. I'm going to take the sticker off. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Like, everything about this is so beautiful. So it comes with all these little things. Now, the real thing I always find is chains with a bag. Let's see. So I'm just taking this off. It is so, like, heavy. And it doesn't have that, you know how some chains, if they're not authentic, they have that really rattly sound? You guys, it doesn't have that. It's so beautiful, and it's actually such a stunning gold. So this is a look inside the bag. So it is that maroon color. Again, there's so many of these things. Oh my god. And what's that? Oh, just a little necklace gift that they add in. Cute. So I love it. Has pocket here in the front, the main pocket with all the card slots there, a little zip pocket. Can I just say, even the zippers on this feel so beautiful. It does also have the zipper pocket there. This is so hard to show you, I'm so sorry. And then on the back, it also has the back pocket. This is so beautiful. Now, my outfit is ridiculous because I have just done a workout, but let me show you. You guys, it just sits so perfectly. This is my new favorite. This is my absolute new favorite bag. I'm obsessed. I am gonna get so much wear out of this. I love it. I love everything about it. So the amazing thing is, I actually have a discount code for you. So definitely, if you would like to also own this bag, which why wouldn't you? You can use the code NB10 for 10% off. So who doesn't want a stunning bag with a discount code like you guys? This is insane. This is so beyond beautiful. Everything about it, the feel, the look, oh, I'm obsessed. It looks so real to me, and I am so excited to have this in my collection. So I do want to say a massive thank you to Shebag for sending me this, for doing our second collaboration. I'm so excited. You guys, if you purchase this, you will not be disappointed, and please leave a comment down below if you do. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Thank you again, Shebag, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again.